In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove the WooCommerce cart icon from the navigation menu. If you've been looking for a way to tidy up your website's navigation bar or simply prefer a cleaner look without the cart icon, you're in the right place. WooCommerce is an amazing tool for building online stores. But not every site requires a visible cart icon in the menu. Whether you're customizing your site to match a specific design or just want to streamline the user experience, this quick tutorial will walk you through the process step by step. Let's dive right in. First, begin by opening your WordPress dashboard. This is where all the magic happens. The dashboard is essentially the control center for your website, and it's where you can manage plugins, themes, and content. Once you're logged in, you'll see the familiar WordPress menu on the left-hand side. From here, we'll start customizing your site. Next, navigate to the Appearance section. You'll find this option in the sidebar menu on the left. Click on it, and then select Customize. This will take you to the WordPress Customizer, a powerful tool that allows you to make changes to your website in real time. It's incredibly user-friendly. So even if you're new to WordPress, you'll feel right at home. Once the customizer has loaded, locate the cart icon in your navigation menu. This is typically located in the top right corner of your site's header, though it may vary depending on your theme. Take a moment to identify where it is so you know exactly what we're working with. The cart icon is usually added automatically when WooCommerce is active, but removing it is simple. Now, click on the cart icon to select it. When you do this, you'll notice that a small menu or toolbar appears. This is where you can manage the settings for this element. On that toolbar, you'll see 3 dots, which represent the Options menu. Go ahead and click on those 3 dots to open the drop-down menu. From the drop-down, select Delete. This action will remove the cart icon from your navigation menu. Don't worry, this doesn't delete the functionality of the cart itself, it just removes the icon from being displayed. This can be especially useful if you want to keep the shopping cart feature but don't want it visible in the menu. After you've chosen Delete, confirm the deletion by checking that the cart icon is no longer visible in your navigation menu. The change should happen immediately in the customizer's preview window. Take a moment to double-check that the menu looks exactly how you'd like it. Once you're satisfied with the changes, it's time to make them permanent. Click on the Publish or Save button, which is usually located at the top of the customizer. This will apply your changes to the live version of your site, ensuring that the cart icon is no longer displayed to your visitors. If for any reason you change your mind, don't worry, WordPress has you covered. You can undo the action by pressing Ctrl+Z on your keyboard, or by using the Undo button within the editor. This is a handy feature if you accidentally make a change you didn't intend to. And that's it. You've successfully removed the WooCommerce cart icon from your navigation menu. This small customization can make a big difference in the overall appearance and usability of your site. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.